Good morning students, myself Vijay Bhadoria, Study Point Inter College, Khairabad, Sitapur. Today we are going to start exercise 3.4. First question is solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and the substitution method. Okay, solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and substitution method. Means these questions you have to solve by both elimination and substitution method as I have explained in previous videos. Okay, these four parts you have to done by both elimination method and substitution method. I hope you all will know how to solve these by elimination method and substitution method. So these question you will do by your own. If you are facing in any problem, any question, you can consult me later. Okay, now our next question is question number 2. Our next question is question number 2. First part is question 2 is form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by elimination method. Okay, you have to form the pair of linear equation by given condition and you have to solve by elimination method. In these question you have to use, in these 5 parts you have to use only elimination method. First, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Okay, first part is if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. What is the fraction? Okay, now see the solution of this. Okay, let the fraction be x upon y. Let the fraction be x upon y. Case 1 is saying if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, on adding this plus 1, and so we are doing the same, we are adding 1 in numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator and fraction becomes 1. Okay, so x plus 1 upon y minus 1 equal to 1. Then send y minus 1 to that side, 1 into 1 my y minus 1, because y minus 1 into it will be 1. Okay, so y into 1 y minus 1 into 1, there will be no problem from these. Okay, so bring y that side, so here it will be x minus y and minus 1 here it is, and send 1 to that side, it will be minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, x minus y equal to minus 2. Now case 2 is saying if we add only 1 to the denominator. Okay, so we are doing the same, we are adding 1 to the denominator because fraction is x upon y and we are adding 1 to the denominator. Fraction becomes 1 by 2. Okay, so send y plus 1 to that side and to this side, 2x, 2 into x, 2x, y plus 1 into y plus 1. Okay, send y this side, so 2x minus y equal to 1. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. I hope and you have to solve these equation by elimination method. I hope you can solve these two equations. Okay, now see the second part. 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Noori will be twice old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Okay, how old are Noori and Sonu? How will you solve this? See very carefully. Let the age of Noori is x and age of Sonu is y. Case 1, 5 years ago Noori. Okay, in case 5 years ago, case 1 we are making case 1, 5 years ago age of Noori will be x minus 5, because if in present Noori is 20 years, 5 years ago she was 15 years as it is, so 5 years ago it will be x minus 5. Age of Sonu will be y minus 5. According to question is Noori is thrice of Sonu. 5 years ago Noori was old as thrice as Sonu. So we have to make equal these two. We have to multiply in the age of Sonu by 3. Okay, so x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 5. X minus 5 equal to 3 into y 3y, 3 into 5 15. Okay, send 3y this side, x minus 3y minus 15, send minus 5 to that side, minus 15 plus 5, x minus 3y equal to minus 15 minus 10. Now case 2, 10 years later. After 10 years means after 10 year age of Nuri will be x plus 10 and age of Sonu will be y plus 10, because 10 years after both ages of both will be 10 years more. So we have to add by we have to add 10 in the ages of the both Nuri and Sonu. Now according to question is saying after 10 year Nuri will be twice as Sonu. So to make equal these two ages, we have to multiply by 2 in the Sonu's age. So we are doing same. X plus 10 equal to 2 y plus 10, because Sonu's age is y plus 10 and Nuri's age is twice of Sonu's age. So we have to make equal. We have to multiply by 2 in the Sonu's age. So we are doing same. 2y 2 into y 2y, 2 plus 10 20, x plus 10 to 2y plus 20, send 2y this side. Okay, so x minus 2y 20 minus 10, send 10 that side, x minus 2y equal to 10. This is the equation number 2. This is equation first, x minus 3y equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y equal to 10. This is the equation 2. To solve these, subtracting equation 2 from 1. Put x minus 3y minus 1, x minus 2y equal to 10. Now because we are subtracting the equation, so change the sign. Here it is minus, here it will be, here it is plus, it will be minus, here it is minus, it will be plus, here it is plus, it will be minus. Minus x plus x will be 0, minus 3y plus 2y minus y, minus 10 minus 10 minus 20, minus minus cancel out, and y equal to 20. So we are getting y equal to 20. Okay, on putting y equal to 20 in equation 2, put the value of y equal to 20 in equation 2. So x minus 2 into 2y, in place of y it is 20, so put here 20. 2 into 20 equal to 10. X minus 40 equal to 10. X equal to 10 plus minus 40 will go that side, it will be plus. So 10 plus 40 50. So age of Nuri is 50, because we let the age of Nuri be x. So Nuri's age is 50 and age of Sonu is 20 years, because y value is 20 and we have taken Sonu's age y. So age of Nuri is 50 and age of Nunu is 20 years. Now see the question number 3. This is the most important and difficult question in this exercise. The sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. The sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. Sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9, and also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Okay, means अगर number 36 है, suppose number is 36, it on adding it we are getting 9, on digits adding digits 3 plus 6 we are getting 9. If we are reversing the digit, number will be 63. Okay, but here in this case not follow, but you can see how you can solve this question. You have to take in xy. How will you solve? See here carefully to explain you that if the number is 36, digit sum is 9. Okay, on reversing the digit, number will be 63. This type you have to done this question. How will you solve? See here, I have solution for you. Okay, there is no problem. See very carefully. let the unit place digit, because if the number is 36, okay, this is unit place digit and this is tens place digit. If you are, this is unit place digit and this is 10 place digit, you have to do this question in the same way. You have to take unit place digit, let the unit place digit is x and tens place digit is y. Okay, question is saying digit sum is 9, so x plus y equal to 9, because as it is 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Okay, 3 plus 6 equal to 9. As you are seeing, 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Here it will be in the same process, x plus y equal to 9. There is a formula to find number, because 36 you can write 36 as 10 into 3 plus 6, 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. You can write 36 as 10 into 3, 30 plus 6, 36, 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. This is the formula, number equal to 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. And we are having unit place digit is x and tens place digit is y. So 10 into tens place digit, number equal to 10 into y plus unit place digit is x, so 10y plus x, number is 10y plus x. On reversing the order of digits, new number equal to, you have to change the position of x and y. Okay, like on reversing this digit, suppose you are reversing the 36, you are getting 63, because 36, 3 will here, 3 will be here and 6 will be here, so it will be 63. In the same way, in this you have to change the position of x and y. New number equal to 10 into x plus y, because here it was 10 into y, here it will be 10 into x. New number on reversing the digits, on reversing the order of digits, new number equal to 10x plus y. Case in the question, it is saying, in the question, as you have seen, question was saying sum of the two digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. 9 times this number is twice the, means 9 times of the number is equal to the twice of the number when we are reversing the order of the digit. So 9 into 10y plus x, because 9 times of number is equal to twice of the number reversing the digits, order of the digits. So 2 into 10x plus y. Okay, 9 into 10y 90y, 9 into x 9x, 2 into 10 10x 20x plus 2 into y 2y. Okay, so 90y, shift 2y this side, 90y minus 2y plus 9x as it is, 20x shift this side, minus 20x equal to 0, 90y minus 2y 88y, 9x minus 20x minus 11x equal to 0. Divide this, shift minus 11x first and 88 bar after, so minus 11x plus 88y equal to 0. Change the sign, 11x multiply by minus 1 in the whole equation, so it will be 11x, here it will be minus 88y. Divide this by 11, the whole equation, so here it is on 11, dividing this, here it will be x, 11 8 ja 88, 8y equal to 0. This is equation number 2. This was the first equation and this is the second equation. Now how will you solve? Subtracting equation 2 from 1. 2 from 1. So 1 was x plus y equal to 9 and second is x minus 8y equal to 0. You have to subtract this, so change the sign. Here it is plus, it will be minus, here it is minus, it will be plus, here it will be minus. Minus x plus x will be 0. Y, this is the elimination method. I am explaining you elimination method. Okay, plus y 8y 9y, 9 minus 0 9, 9y equal to 9, y equal to 1. Put the value of y, on putting y equal to 1 in equation 1, so x plus y equal to 9 was the equation. In place of y you will put 1, x plus 1 equal to 9, x equal to 9 minus 1 8, x equal to 8, number equal to, number was, you let the number, not new number, your number was 10y plus x, this was your number. Okay, your number is 10y plus x. Okay, put the value of x and y in this. 10y plus x, 10y plus x, 10 into 1 because y value is 1 and plus x value is 8. So 10 into 1 plus 8, 10 into 1 10 plus 8 18, number is 18. You can check your answer by your own. Digit sum is 9, 1 plus 8 9. If you are reversing the digits, number is 81. Number is 81 and it's 9 times. 18 9 ja 18 into 9, 18 into 9 is 162. 162 is twice of 81. Okay, you can check your answer by this. Okay, now see the question number 4, part 4. In these two part 4 and 5 I will make only equation and you have to solve this equation by your own. Meena went to a bank, withdraw 2000 rupees. 2000 she asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. मतलब मीना बैंक गई, उसने 2000 रुपये निकाले और उसने कैशियर से कहा कि आपको सिर्फ आप मुझे 50 और 100 की नोट दीजिए. मीना गॉट 25 नोट्स इन ऑल. मीना को 25 नोट मिले टोटल. हाउ मेनी नोट्स of rupees 50 and 100 she received. Okay, see this. Okay, see this. Let the 50 rupees note be x and 100 rupee note be y. If Meena got 25 total notes 25, so x plus y equal to 25. Okay, this is case 1 and total rupees were 2000, so 50 into x plus 100y because note of 50 rupees was x, so 50 into x plus note of 100 rupees was y, so 100 into y equal to 2000. Take common from these two. 50 on taking common, here it is x and divide this by 50, 2y equal to, you can 2000 write as 50 into 40 because 50 into 40 is 2000. So 50 50 cancel out, so x plus 2y equal to 40. This is equation 2 because total notes were 25, so x plus y equal to 25 and 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes total cost rupees 2000, so 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. On solving you are getting x plus 2y equal to 40. This is equation 1, this is 2. You have to solve these by elimination method. You can subtract equation 2 from 1 and you will get your answer. Okay, now see the last part of the exercise. See the last part of the exercise. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. मतलब एक लाइब्रेरी है, एक फ़िक्स चार्ज है फर्स्ट 3 डेज़ में आपको एक फ़िक्स चार्ज देना है, बट उसके बाद अगर आप बुक्स लेते हैं, बुक्स रखते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको पर डे के हिसाब से एडिशनल चार्ज देना होगा. सरिता पेड रुपीज़ 27 फॉर बुक फॉर कैप फॉर 7 डेज. सरिता पे कर रही है 27 रुपये दे रही है, 7 डेज़ वो बुक रख रही है और 27 रुपये दे रही है. वाइल सूजी पेड रुपीज़ 21 फॉर बुक सी कैप फॉर 5 डेज़. जबकि सूजी 21 रुपये दे रही है और वो बुक को 5 दिन रख रही है अपने पास. फाइंड द फिक्स चार्ज एंड चार्ज फॉर ईच एक्स्ट्रा डे. आपको फिक्स चार्ज फाइंड करना है और चार्ज और पर डे के हिसाब से कितना चार्ज देना है ये फाइंड करना है. दिस इज़ वेरी इजी, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. ओके, let the fixed charge be x and charge per day is y. Fixed charge be x and charge per day be y. When who kept Sarita? When Sarita kept, there is a mistake in the question. When Sarita kept book for 7 days, equation become, because 3 days fixed charge, total days was 7, so for 3 days charge is x, but after that y is charge per day according to per day, so day remains because she left 7 days, so 7 minus 3 equal to 4. 4 days she have, for 4 days she have to pay additional charge, so x plus 4y equal to 27. And Susie when Susie kept book for 5 days, 3 days are fixed. Okay, total days were 5. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. She have to pay for 2 days additional charge. So equation becomes x plus 2y equal to 21. First is x plus 4y equal to 27 and second is x plus 2y equal to 21. Okay, you have to solve these by elimination method. This is also very easy. You can subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, and you can get your answer like in this way. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Okay, from 1 you can write x plus 4y equal to 27 and x plus 2y equal to 21. Now change the sign because you are subtracting this equation. So here it will be plus, it will be minus, here it is plus, it will be minus, here it is plus, it will be minus. Now original sign are these. Here it is minus x plus x will be 0, cancel out. 4y minus 2y, it is 2y. 27 minus 21, it is 6. Y equal to 6 upon 2, 3. Y is 3. On putting y equal to y equal to 3 in equation 2, x plus 2y equal to 21, x plus 2 into y is 3, so put here 3, do 21, x plus 6 equal to 21, so x equal to 21 minus 6, x equal to 15. So fixed charge is 15. Fixed charge is 15 rupees 15, and additional dip and charge per day, and charge per day is 3 because we let charge per day y and y value is 3 in this. So charge per day is 3. Okay, now I hope you understand. Now thank you and have a good day for you.